Listen and repeat. A. Advantage. Climb. Excited. Race. Score. Taste. Team. Though. B. Advantage. An advantage. A great advantage. To give an advantage. To get an advantage. To have an advantage over somebody. Quick thinking is an advantage in many professions. What gives Alice an advantage over other students? Climb. To climb a mountain. To climb the tree. To go climbing. The little train climbed the mountainside slowly. Excited. To be excited about something. The excited children were opening their presents. Everyone was excited about the trip to the mountains. Race. A difficult race. A famous motor race. Horse races can be very interesting to watch. Score. To score a point, some points. To score a goal, some goals. I scored 20 goals in the game. Who scored the goal in the first half? Taste. A sweet taste. A salty taste. Not to everyone's taste. I love the taste of chocolate. The new film was not everyone's taste. Team. A hockey team. The school's football team. To be in a team. To play for a team. A team number. Jack would like to play for the school's basketball team. Though. Though the weather was cold, we enjoyed our walk. The text was interesting, though I didn't quite understand some parts of it.